Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today I will show you how to connect and disconnect and reset Apple AirPods. It's very simple. Just go on your Bluetooth, okay, and connect your AirPods. Keep and press hold this button and say connect. See hold button, press and hold the button on the back of the charging case. So you see white and
10 to 2, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
no problem brother. I'll do it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Please do it. I have to put
I'll do it brother.
two.
Yes,
Yeah,
two, okay.
One and behind the cigarette I put.
Okay, okay.
I'll go market. Do you need anything?
No, thank you.
Onion,
No,
potatoes,
everything.
eggs,
I have everything, brother. Thank you. It's connected now, and then as you can see, it's connected. It's connecting. And that's it. Okay. And then all you have to do is just go on. You see connected. Click on the eye symbol here. Disconnect. Forget this device. And that's it. It's all reset. So now it's all done. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.